I got the perfect plan. This moon will be mine. Now, I just need the perfect angle.
Hey, Mama, can you tell me a bedtime story?
Sure! There once was a little gator who went to bed. The end.
Mama!
Oh, all right. I suppose we have time for a little story. Let's see. Once upon a time.
Red alert! Red alert! Location, moon.
Huh? An alert on the moon? Oh, but I was just getting into a good bedtime story.
Hold that thought, Mama. I got some saving to do.
Well, whatever it is, you better be back before morning, Shug. You have school tomorrow.
You got it. I'm Gus the Gummy Gator. Today, we're Galaxy Explorers. Let's go. Let's get to the bottom of this. Gus the Investigator is on the case. No one interrupts Mama's story time. Ha! I knew it! This had to be the work of someone like Dark Titan. Don't worry, we gotta stop him, little gators. We have to get to the moon before Dark Titan carries out whatever evil plan he has. Let's do this. I hope we get there in time. Let's check the live footage.
I have the perfect angle now. All I have to do is blast the moon to shrink it. If I can get it small enough, the moon will be mine.
Oh no! This can't be good! The moon is important to life on Earth! If Dark Titan steals the moon, the gravity on Earth will be changed! When Earth rotates, the moon's gravity pulls on our planet. You can see it in our oceans. The water will bulge in the direction of the moon's gravity. This is called the moon's tidal force. It helps keep our ocean ecosystems healthy. And it's all because of the moon's gravity. If we lose the moon, the natural tides will stop and the ecosystem in the oceans will be ruined. Wait a second! What's that?
Hey! Who turned off the moon?
Oh no! I think Dark Titan accomplished his plan! He stole the moon! I can't believe this! Of all the things, Dark Titan just had to steal the Earth's natural satellite! I'll show him! There he is! Stop, Dark Titan! I can't let you steal the moon!
Well, that's just too bad because you're a little too late. It looks like there's nothing you can do about it now.
How about I challenge you for it?
I do like a challenge.
Ask me any 3 questions. If I get them right, you have to put the moon back. If I get any of them wrong...
Your precious moon is mine forever!
Yeah. So, what do you say?
I'll take on your challenge only because this is going to be so easy.
It's now or never, Gus. You can do this!
Okay, for my first question, what are all those holes on the moon for? And do you think I can use those holes as my new hideout?
You're stealing the moon to make it your new hideout? Ah! I guess you could make one of them your new hideout, but they're not called holes. They're called craters. Craters are just proof that asteroids and meteors hit the moon a long time ago.
Perfect! I just wanted to make sure it wasn't made of cheese or something.
No, the moon isn't made of cheese.
Good! Now for my next question. What's on the back of the moon? What's it hiding?
It's not hiding anything. It's just the other side of the moon. We don't see it because the moon rotates around the Earth at the same time that the Earth spins on its axis. That's why we only see the same side.
Okay. Maybe I could pick one of the craters on the back so I know for sure no one could see it.
Why do you have to put your new hideout on the moon?
I I have to make sure my new hideout is in a place no one can get to. And I thought I was the one asking the questions here.
Well, you do know that people can get to the moon, right?
Let's get back to my questions. Okay, so for my last question, what kind of light does the moon make?
The moon doesn't make its own light. It just reflects the light from the sun. The moon lights up because it's in space with the sun too. The sun shines on the moon, and that's the light we see on Earth.
Okay, fine. You answered all the questions. But you know what? I don't even want this moon anymore. People can get to it anyway. It doesn't make its own light. Next thing you're gonna tell me is that there's no water on it.
Well, they have discovered some water molecules, but they're still making discoveries. If you mean water like we have on Earth, nope, they don't have that on the moon.
Ah, that's it. Take your moon back.
Woohoo! We did it! Dark Titan is putting the moon back.
Honey, come look! The moon is back! And it's bigger than the sun?
Wait, the moon is getting too big! Dark Titan, that's enough! The moon isn't supposed to be this big!
What? I was just making it more interesting.
Dark Titan, you have to fix this!
Or what?
Or you could create a gravitational pull that's so strong even the sun will be affected!
Is it getting warmer to you?
Rats! It's happening! It's happening!
I don't think that is supposed to happen.
Hurry, or we'll be pulled into the sun!
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's working! It's working! Whew! That was a close one!
Yeah, I wasn't scared for a second.
Well, now you know not to mess with the moon!
Whatever, just know this isn't the last you'll see of me. I'm gonna find the coolest spot for my new hideout, no matter what or where it is.
That sounds like a problem for another day or night. Until then, we did a great job rescuing the moon. It's a good thing we stopped Dark Titan and put the moon back to normal. I gotta get back to Earth to hear Mama's bedtime story. See you later, little gators. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Hey guys, real quick, check out these new Titan Universe toys that Ryan helped make.
My super family and friends go on many fun adventures and defeat bad guys.
All new eggs and Mecha Titan toys available, so you can create your own Titan Universe adventures at home.
Open surprise bag micro figures and build your robot.
You can find the Titan Universe toys at Walmart, Target, and Smith's. But let's get back to Ryan's world.
We are so lucky Peck let us use a science lab today, Gus. But I still can't see past Neptune. We sure are lucky. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Let me try. Wow, look at that, little gators. I don't think that's the planet Neptune. Oh, come on. I want to see. All I see is Neptune, Gus. Hang on! It's gotta be my magic gummy! I think it gives the telescope extra energy. Let me try this. Now you can see way past Neptune. That is so amazing, Gus. I thought you were trying to trick me with all that magical gummy talk. Alpha Awesome! That's the Milky Way! Woohoo! That's so cool!
I need to get that magical gummy, but I will have to wait for the right moment to send Robocombo to do my dirty work.
Earth is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The bulge of the Milky Way is the sphere-shaped cluster of stars that can be found in the center. Scientists think there's a black hole in the center, swallowing everything that comes too close. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's your turn to have a look, Gus.
Okay.
The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, and these are known to have disks. Those disks are so cool, Alpha! The Milky Way's thin disk has spiral arms that contain most of the material in the galaxy. They are filled with gas, dust, stars, and planets. And they're all being held together by gravity.
Oh my gummies!
I see a cluster of energy stars that look just like the ones that crashed into Earth. Wow, Gus! I can't believe there are so many more energy stars out there.
Now is the perfect time to send RoboCombo to steal the magical gummy, so I too can find where more energy stars are located.
The next part of the galaxy is called the halo. The halo is a huge layer of old stars and star clusters that surround the disk of the Milky Way galaxy. Wow! Ah!
Must take magical gummy.
Oh no! It looks like RoboCombo is under Gustav's control again! Not so fast, Robo!
Uh-oh.
Ah! Gus has defeated my evil plan once again! I will beat that silly gator one day!
I'll have to use my de-scrambler to reset RoboCombo again!
Hi there. How can I be of assistance?
That was perfect, Gus! Great thinking!
Ooh-wee, that was a close one.
Sure was, Gus! And we learned a lot today!
That's right, Alpha. The magical gummy energized Peck's telescope and let us see further than ever before.
We learned that Earth is in the galaxy called the Milky Way. The bulge of the Milky Way is the sphere-shaped cluster of stars and can be found in the center. Yeah! And the Milky Way's thin disk has spiral arms filled with gas, dust, stars, and planets, all held together by gravity.
And finally, the halo is a huge layer of old stars and star clusters that surround the main disk.
Then RoboCombo was being controlled by Gustav and tried to steal the magical gummy.
I reacted fast and stopped RoboCombo from getting away by using my gummy gloves.
I had fun learning about the Milky Way galaxy with you, Gus.
Me too, Alpha. Thanks for watching, little gators. See you next time. Bye! Hiya, little gators. I'm on my way to the 4th planet in our solar system, the red planet, Mars. Look, there it is. The color of it kinda looks like a giant gummy planet, huh? Makes me kinda hungry. We're about 245 million miles away from Earth. Even though it's the next planet in our solar system, it's still a long way to travel. If you wanted to travel to Mars, it would take between 6 to 8 months to make this journey. I wonder what else we'll learn on this adventure to Mars. Let's check it out, little gators. We made it! Oh, brr, it's a lot colder here than on Earth. Maybe I should get my spacesuit on. Mars is further away from the sun, and it has a very thin, dry atmosphere. This is why Mars is much colder than Earth. But the cold won't stop me from exploring. Let's land this thing. I'm ready to explore! I just hope we don't run into any dust storms. Wow! I forgot about the difference in gravity! Mars has less gravity than Earth. I can walk, but it's bouncy. At least I won't float away. Hey, what's that over there? Wow, these must be the rovers sent to Mars. Look, they're bigger than me. Everybody, meet the Mars rovers, Curiosity and Perseverance.
Hi, Curiosity. Nice to meet you, Perseverance.
These rovers are 7 feet tall, 9 feet wide, and 10 feet long. That's the size of a car. They also weigh the amount of 2 grand pianos. Curiosity here has been on Mars since 2012. Curiosity's mission is to study the environment on Mars and find out if small life forms called microbes can live there. Curiosity has done such a great job on planet Mars, we sent him a friend to keep him company. The rover Perseverance arrived on Mars February 18th, 2021. Perseverance's job is to look for signs of ancient life by collecting and storing samples of rocks and soil. Hopefully, this will help prepare for human missions to Mars in the future. They even have color cameras for inspecting things close up, but also for selfies. The rovers have to inspect themselves to make sure they're operating in good shape. And looking good! Group selfie! Everybody say, Gummies! Okay, I'll let you guys get back to work. Look! That has to be Mars's moon! Wow! Wait! There's another one! That's right! Mars has 2 moons! One is called Phobos, and the other one is called Deimos. Uh-oh! It's a Martian dust storm! Mars is known for these intense dust storms! Sometimes they can last for weeks! I'm gonna have dust in all the wrong places! Whoa! Whoa! I'm okay. Woo! I'm happy we're out of the dust storm. It's a good thing this wall broke my fall. Whoa! This isn't a wall. It's a volcano! It's not just any volcano either. It's Olympus Mons! Do you guys remember what makes this volcano unique in the whole solar system?
It's the tallest in the whole solar system. Yeah, it's a giant.
That's right! Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the whole solar system! It's as tall as 2.5 Mount Everest mountains on Earth, and it's also the size of the state of Arizona! This is the best planet to play Flora's lava because the ground is already red like lava! Did you know Mars is red because the rocks here are full of iron? The iron gets swept over the entire surface in dust storms, so the whole planet looks red because the atmosphere is so full of iron. I have an idea. Why don't we take a sample back to Earth? We could study it or keep it as a souvenir. Either way, I'm sure Peck would be happy to take a look at it. Sounds like I'm getting hungry. Let's head home. I wonder what Mama's cooking for dinner. Mars is such a cool planet. I'm happy we met the Mars rovers Curiosity and Perseverance. They're doing a great job researching ancient life on Mars and checking if it is habitable for microbes. And hopefully all the red dust stays out of their gears, since Mars is known for extreme dust storms that can last for weeks. Those winds blew me away. At least I got to see the solar system's tallest volcano mountain, Olympus Mons. It's the size of 2.5 Mount Everest mountains. Thanks for exploring the 4th planet Mars with me. I'll see you next time, little gators. Bye! Woohoo! Not today, Mr. Asteroid! One of my dreams is going to come true today, little gators. I've been invited to the home of the astronauts, the International Space Station! Almost there! We're 250 miles above Earth! International Space Station, here I come! Check it out! We'll be able to orbit the Earth every 90 minutes up here! Whoa! I didn't know we would be able to see the sun, too!
Yes, you can see the sun rise and set up to 15 times per day.
Ah! Who said that?
Over here, I'm your International Space Station assistant. You can ask me anything.
Wow! So, what exactly is the International Space Station?
The International Space Station, or ISS, is a large spacecraft that orbits around the Earth. It isn't owned by any one country, because 15 countries work together to make it, each part being assembled in space.
It was put together in space? Oh, that must have taken a long time! Longer than it takes to make your own batch of gummies!
Much longer. It took 10 years to finish. Now 241 astronauts from all over the world have worked here.
So, a little gator from the swamp like me can grow up to be an astronaut and work in space too?
If you can complete the astronaut training, sure. It includes swimming in full astronaut suit,
I love swimming!
playing with giant air hockey tablets,
Count me in!
even getting space toilet trained. But you have plenty of time to master these things. For now, you can explore and make yourself at home.
Woohoo! Let's do it! Whoa, way! This International Space Station is as big as a house with 6 bedrooms! This is where the astronauts work! It even has robo-astronauts known as Robonauts! Hi, Mr. Robonaut! There are actually 3 science labs. One for the United States, one for Japan, and one for Europe. These science labs always have 150 science experiments being tested at all times. Oh, I would love it here. They research things like farming in space, medicine for everyone on Earth, ways to keep people healthy in space, and more. Sunrise, science, and robots. This is the life! Oh, rats. I forgot to ask if they have any space gummies on board. I'll find out tomorrow. Tomorrow, I get to live as an astronaut for 24 hours. I even get to go on a spacewalk. I'm so happy to be invited to the ISS. I learned how 15 countries work together to build the International Space Station. And it took 10 years. And astronauts have to go through training to live here, like swimming, air hockey, and even toilet training. And I explored one of the 3 science labs where space robots, called Robonauts, were doing science experiments. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, rats. I forgot I need to buckle myself in because there's no gravity. Well, I'll see you guys next time when I get to show you what a day in the life of an astronaut looks like. Bye! Good morning from the International Space Station! Ah! Something's got me! Something's got me! Wait. Oh, it's just the straps. I just need to get my boots on the ground so the magnets will stick and let me walk. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, rats. That's one way to get around here. Woo! Much better. So, I have to brush my teeth like an astronaut, which means I have to use this pouch for water. Okay, here we go. Wow! With no gravity, the water stays in a ball in the air until the toothbrush soaks it up. Astronauts have a special kind of toothpaste too. Hey! Get back here! The toothpaste is special because it's edible. They can eat it, so they don't have to rinse and spit water everywhere. I love being an astronaut! Whoa, but being an astronaut means you have to do hard work. Gotta fix the solar panel so the ISS can use the sun's rays for electricity. This is called a spacewalk. Astronauts go outside to make repairs to the ISS to keep it operating safely. They also test out new equipment and even do science experiments. Hey, I know that rocket. That's Ryan. Small universe. Wowee! Spacewalks can use all of your energy. That's why astronauts have to eat nutritious food to stay healthy. Foods like fruits and vegetables are allowed in space, but some foods on Earth you can't have in space. You can't have foods like bread because the crumbs will get everywhere. Drinks like soda aren't allowed either because bubbles are different in space and they make astronauts sick. The vegetable soup here sure is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed my day in the life of an astronaut. It was so cool brushing my teeth with edible astronaut toothpaste. I even repaired a solar panel outside the ISS during a spacewalk. And eating astronaut-approved vegetable soup restored my energy because it was full of healthy nutrients. Woohoo! I survived 24 hours as an astronaut on the International Space Station. Thanks for watching, little gators. I'll see you back on Earth. Bye! Hiya, little gators. It's a beautiful day. Should we play tag? Or hide and seek? Or maybe... Whoa! What's a giant ball of light falling from the sky? It's falling so fast! Whoa! Huh?
Gus! Did you see that strange object falling from the sky?
I did, Peck! What was it?
I'm not sure, but it's definitely not something that happens every day. My radar shows it's landed in the park. Can you meet me there?
You got it, Peck. I'm on my way. You heard Peck, little gators. Let's check it out. Hiya, Peck. I made it.
Whoa! It's so bright and shiny. Huh? Oh, hey, Gus.
It sure is bright and shiny. I wonder if it has any superpowers. Wait a second. It looks like it's broken on one side.
Good observation, Gus. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I've been running some tests, and this object is generating extremely high amounts of energy.
Whoa! Do you think I could use it to power up my gaming controller? The batteries keep running out.
Your gaming controller? This amount of energy could power an entire city!
What?
It's finally here! This is the energy I need to make my evil plan come true. Now's the time to strike!
Hey, Peck, did you see the dirt on the other side of the object?
I sure did, Gus. Let me run a quick scan to see if I can figure out where it's from. Oh, popsicles! According to this test, these particles are from all around the solar system. That means this object is from way out of space.
Whoa! With something creating that much energy, it'd be a shame if it fell into the wrong hands.
I should get a test sample so I can test it back at the lab.
Stand aside, little ones. I've been waiting for this fragment to land on Earth for years. Now I'll be able to take over the world. No, the entire solar system.
I don't think it's that powerful.
Silly Gator. This fragment is just one piece of something called the energy star. The energy star has unstoppable power, and I'm going to find all the pieces for myself.
Oh! Haha! Nice try, Gustav! But we won't let you get away with this!
Oh, really? You both just need to chill. It's finally mine. Now I can use this fragment to track down the other missing pieces scattered across the solar system. Then nothing will stop me from taking over every planet.
You won't get away with this, Gustav!
Let me show you what I can do with just this small fragment.
No, Popsicles! Did you see how fast this spaceship teleported? That star fragment is way more powerful than I could have ever imagined!
Ah, rats! We'll never stop Gustav with that kind of power!
I have a plan, Gus! But we need to get to the Peck Pod ASAP! Let's go!
Wow! It's just as awesome as I remember! Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go stop Gustav!
About that, there's one small problem. The Peckbot only has enough fuel to carry one person, and we must hurry before Gustav gets too far!
Wait a minute! Are you saying I have to go to outer space by myself?
You can do it, Gus! I know you can! I'll be here at ground control, helping guide you across the solar system.
You can do it, Gus. You totally got this, Gus. Just believe in yourself.
You're right, little gators. I can do this. I'm ready, Peck. Let's do this.
The first sample I tested says it's from Mercury. Oh boy, oh boy.
Did you say Mercury? That's right in front of the sun, Peck. Buckle up, little gators. We have to save the solar system and find the energy star before Gustav! We have to get the next fragment before Gustav, or he'll have too much power for us to defeat! This thing is going so fast! Is there a way to slow this thing down? Oh no! That didn't help!
Hey, Gus. How's everything going?
Not good!
Oh, push the autopilot button, Gus!
The red one?
Not the red button! The green button at the top of the dash!
I can't reach it!
Look out, Gus! You're headed straight for a planet!
Whoa! That was close!
Gus, activate the navigation screen using the yellow keypad. I loaded the coordinates for Mercury before you took off.
Your destination is Mercury. Your destination is in 5 million miles.
The planet you almost hit is Venus, Gus.
It's beautiful!
Yup, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and is almost the size of Earth. But unlike the rest of the planets, Venus is the only planet that spins in the opposite direction.
That's cool! Oh, you weren't lying, Peck. It's starting to get really hot in here.
Oh, well that's because we're getting closer to Mercury, which is the second hottest planet in our solar system. And it's the smallest planet too!
Whoa! That is a bright star!
The sun is quite amazing, Gus. Gus, snap out of it! You just passed Mercury!
Recalculating. Turn around to reach destination.
Wow.
Gus, the sun is around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will melt the peck pod!
Oh my gummies! Sorry, Peck. I've never been this far in the solar system before, so I guess I got distracted.
I think you need to cool down and relax for a minute. Push the snowflake button to turn on the AC.
Ah, that's nice. Woo! Let's turn it all the way up. Wow, that AC has some power.
Yeah, makes me feel like I'm back home in the Arctic Circle. Ah, good times.
Oh, we're about to land on Mercury. Heck, how do I land this thing?
Oh, right. Go ahead and push the land button.
Oh!
Heck, there's Gustav. I hope he hasn't found a star fragment already.
Ah! Why isn't it working? I need that star fragment.
Alert. System cooling failure. Alert. System cooling failure.
I knew I should have brought my spacesuit.
It looks like Gustav's laser beam retractor isn't working.
Yeah, go figure. I think the heat from the sun and Mercury is messing with Gustav's laser setting.
Oh no, I can't go out during the heat.
That is correct, Gus, which is why I supplied you with a heat-proof astronaut suit. Go ahead and put it on.
Woohoo! Looking good!
Oh! Not the Gummy Gator! This is not happening! Ah! That does it! If I can't have it, neither can you, Gus the Gummy Gator!
Watch out, Gus! Jump, Gus! Jump! Huh? Whoa, whoa!
Oh no! You will never get away with this, Gus the Gummy Gator!
Thanks for the heads up, little gators! Yay! We found the second piece to the energy star! We did it, Peck! We got the second star fragment!
No popsicles! Oh, the next test result just came in. It looks like the star fragment also traveled by Mars, Gus. You gotta hurry!
Got it! Navigation is set to Mars! Here we go! There are still 3 fragments left in our solar system, so let's go, little gators! Woohoo!
Gus, you need to slow down! You're at max speed and you don't have any fuel left!
Warning. No fuel. Brace for impact.
Push the land button now, Gus! The land button!
Just how I planned it. Whoa, wait! I thought almost crashing made me sweat, but I think it's because of the heat. It feels hotter here than on Mercury. Danger! Extremely high temperatures! 880 degrees Fahrenheit!
Gus, don't you remember? I told you Venus is the hottest planet in the entire solar system. Anyway, I think now's the best time for you to get your heat-proof suit back on, just to be safe.
You got it, Peck. But Peck, how are we supposed to refuel the Peck pod if there aren't any gas stations on Venus?
Well, Gus, I built 2 alternative power systems for the Peck pod to operate off of in case of emergency. First one runs on a standard battery or other contained energy source, and the other runs on carbon dioxide. And, as I'm sure you know, Venus's atmosphere is 96.5% carbon dioxide.
Whoa! That's spectacular planning there! Way to go, Peck!
It is quite spectacular, if I do say so myself. Now go ahead and press the yellow button on the dashboard. This will change the power system over to carbon dioxide.
fuel is at 100%. Way to go, Peck! You're a genius!
Oh, popsicles.
Now let's get out of here before I become Gus the Gummy Gator! Whoa! There's the planet Mars! I had no idea it was so red!
Yes, Gus. Mars is nicknamed the Red Planet because of how red it is. And it gets its red color from all the rust in its atmosphere.
Heck, what's going on?
I forgot to tell you Mars's gravity is about 1/3 times that of Earth's. But don't worry, Gus. I've already planned for this too. I'll activate your magnetic boots from ground control.
Woo! Saved me again! I don't know how I would...
Wow! Look! The star fragment is starting to glow more and more! I think that means the next fragment is close by, Gus!
Woohoo!
Where could that third star fragment be? I can't find it anywhere. Wait! I'll just track that silly peck pod so Gus the Gummy Gator can lead me right to it.
Oh, I don't see the star fragment anywhere. Where could it be? There it is, Gus. Right down there, Gus. You're right, little gators. I see it too. Time for our next spacewalk. Gonna get the energy star. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Whoa! How did I not see that huge mountain? I better get the star fragment and get out of here!
Silly Gator! I knew you would lead me straight to the next star fragment.
Oh no! It's Gustav! I won't let you take the star fragment!
Not so fast!
Can't hold on! Oh no! Gustav got the star fragment!
I did it! The third star fragment is all mine! Now that I have 2 star fragments, I'll be able to... No!
Wow! What's going on? I need to get back to the pet pod! Heck, Gustav got away with the next star fragment! But I think there's an earthquake or something happening right now!
I tracked your coordinates, Gus, and it looks like you landed right next to Olympus Mons. It's a volcano. It's 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest.
Oh my gummies! We need to get out of here quick! Olympus Mons might erupt any second!
The next test results came in, Gus. The 4th star fragment is on planet Saturn. Get your Gator tail out of there!
You heard Peck, little gators! Looks like we're going to Saturn! Geez, Peck, the carbon dioxide fuel system really saved the day!
Oh, it was nothing. Just years of research and development.
Well, it definitely saved my gator tail back there on Mars.
True, true. If Gustav didn't end up stealing the fragment from us, we would have had a great Mars mission.
We did our best, Peck, and we'll keep trying to make sure Gustav doesn't take over the solar system.
That's right, Gus. And I can't wait to explore the planet Saturn. I'm so excited.
Woohoo! Thanks for watching. See you next time, little gators. Bye!
Bye! We sure have been through quite a bit, Gus. Before we get to Saturn, we'll have to pass through Jupiter and...
Warning, warning, asteroid belt ahead.
Gus, you'll have to fly through the asteroid belt by hand.
Huh? What do you mean fly through the asteroid belt by hand? You can do it, Gus. You've got this, Gus. You're right, little gators. I can do this.
Wow, that was impressive, Gus. You didn't get a single scratch on the peck pod.
Thanks, Peck. I must have learned a thing or two in outer space. Whoa! Jupiter is huge!
You bet it is. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system.
Wow! Is that a huge eye looking back at me?
No, Gus. That's Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It's a gigantic storm twice the size of Earth that's raged for hundreds of years. It's fascinating.
Yeah, fascinating. Maybe we should avoid going through the raging storm today.
Alert. Unidentified flying object approaching.
Peck, what do we do?
We'll go straight through Jupiter. There's no way Gustav will follow us. This is the perfect time to test out my controller.
Heck, you had a steering wheel this whole time and now you want to test it out? Heck!
No more silly little gator to get in my way.
Heck, when will we get to the surface?
Oh, we'll never make it to the surface, Gus. Jupiter is a gas giant planet, and the pressure will be too much for the Peckbot to handle. Besides, we're already out.
Oh, brr. Wow, it looks like Saturn is hula hooping.
Actually, Gus, those hula hoops are known as Saturn's rings. They're made out of millions of chunks of ice, and Saturn is so cold, it has an average temperature of negative 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for popsicles.
Well, that must be why I'm so cold and I could barely talk.
Don't worry, Gus. I designed your spacesuit with a heater inside for this very situation. Just press the G on your spacesuit.
Yeah, I guess I'll just have to blast that spaceship down once and for all to get rid of that silly little gator.
Let's get out of here, Peck! There's the next star fragment! Peck, we have to lose Gustav before we lead him straight to it!
I got it! Hold down the brake handle next to the steering wheel, Gus!
Not so fast, little gator! No! No! No!
Woohoo! It worked, Peck!
Great job, Gus! Now let's go get that star fragment!
I know this isn't for grabbing a star fragment, Peck, but there's no way I'm going into that gas giant planet!
Great thinking, Gus! Gus, the scan is complete, and it says the next star fragment is located on Neptune. This is the last piece, so we gotta do everything we can to stop Gustav from getting it first.
You got it, Peck! Looks like we're going to the planet Neptune! Thanks for watching, little gators! Hope to see you next time! Bye! Hiya, little gators! I'm on my way to planet Neptune to get the final star fragment. But we gotta pass through Uranus first. Hopefully we won't run into any more asteroid belts. Hey, there's Uranus! It's getting colder now that we're far from the sun.
Warning, extremely cold temperatures.
Yup, that sounds about right, Gus. Uranus is roughly twice as far from the sun as Saturn, so it's gonna get pretty cold out here. Uranus is an ice giant type planet, which means that it has a gas surface with an interior composed of ice and rock. The average temperature is about negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
I know you're from the Arctic, Peck, but I don't think you want to live there. Oh no, I'm gonna be sick.
Don't worry, Gus. I got this.
That bully Gustav! We can't let him reach Neptune first!
Max speed activated.
Wow! That's the prettiest blue I've ever seen! I loved learning about Neptune in science class! Heck, Did you know that Neptune's blue color has an unknown component that makes its color brighter and bluer than Uranus?
Yes, I did, Gus. But did you know that Neptune has supersonic winds that are faster than the speed of sound? Huh? Did you know that?
Yeah, I remember that too, Peck.
It has to be around here somewhere. The fragments are glowing more and more, so I must be close.
Look, over there, Gus. What is that bright glow? Huh? What do you mean, little gators? Oh my gummies! That's the final star fragment! And Gustav is about to find it!
Aha! There it is! The final star fragment! And it's all mine! Blast! My laser retractor is still damaged from the ice chunk on Saturn's rings. I need to fix this quickly before that silly little gator gets here and ruins my plans once again. Ah! Not again!
We have to hurry, little gators!
Ah! I found it first!
Not today, Gustav! Take that, Gustav!
That was spectacular, Gus!
Woohoo! Aw, thanks, Peck! Whoa, why are the star fragments shaking?
That's so cool!
What's going on with Gustav's spaceship?
This is just a hunch, but I think our big star fragment is creating some sort of gravitational pull.
Whoa, so bright!
So shiny!
Uh-oh.
Critical damage. Emergency landing protocol initiated.
Ah! Peck, what does that mean?
Oh
Your next destination is planet Earth.
Gus? Are you there? Come in, Gus!
Hold on, little gators! Where are you? Peck, we're going way too fast! I don't know how to stop the Peck pod! We're going to crash!
Oh my! There isn't a scratch on the Peck pod! Think popsicles, you're okay, Gus. I was expecting a crash of spectacular proportions.
Me too. But Peck, I think the energy star saved me and the Peck pod. Woohoo!
Oh gosh!
Thanks, energy star. You really saved my gator tail.
No way, Gus! You're getting a magic gummy from the energy star.
Wow! Thank you so much, energy star.
Oh gosh, I can't wait to run tests on this magic gummy.
I've never had a magical gummy before. I guess that means I can't eat it. Well, thanks for watching, little gators. Hope to see you next time. Bye!
Bye!
Hiya, little gators. I'm so happy you're here. I think I need your help. Look, I was able to find some planets. Mars is here. You can tell because it looks reddish orange. And even Jupiter is visible tonight. But I can't find our moon anywhere. It's almost like something happened. Or someone happened. Maybe someone stole it, like your Titan! No, that can't be it. I would have gotten an alert. If the moon isn't in the sky and it's not Dark Titan, I just don't know what else it could be. I gotta tell somebody! Mama! Mama!
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Mama, I think someone stole the moon. I don't see it anywhere.
Oh, that's probably because it's a new moon.
If there's no moon at all, how can there be a new moon?
This is just one of the many phases of the moon.
Huh?
You wait here. I know just what to do.
Okay. Several minutes later.
Here you go, Shug. I challenge you to learn the phases of the moon by collecting each sticker. I already got you started with the first phase, new moon.
Wow, this looks like fun. But where do I find the stickers?
Oh, that's the best part. You have to follow the clues I left you all over the house. And if you complete the challenge, you'll earn moon cookies.
Ah! Moon cookies!
Yep. Now your first clue is in the living room. Good luck.
Okay, Mama, I'll be back. We found the first clue. Waxing crescent, you found me. Your next sticker is where you sleep. This is what a waxing crescent looks like. It kind of looks like a banana. I wonder if it tastes like a banana. Nope, definitely does not taste like a banana. Better put it where it belongs. The next one has to be in my room. Come on! Ha-ha! Found it! First quarter. You're getting good at this, Gus. The next spot to check is where your teeth get brushed. I am getting good at this. Next up, the bathroom. Yes! This clue says, waxing gibbous, I see you. If you check the closet, you'll find another clue. All right! I never knew there were so many moon phases. This is so fun. Here's the next one. With this full moon, you're halfway on your way. Now check your favorite place to play. I know exactly where the next clue is. We're also halfway to Mom making moon cookies. We're so close, I can almost taste them. Mama knows this is my favorite place to play. One time, I was pretending to be a pirate discovering a giant treasure. And Mama caught me using all her jewelry as the treasure. Yeah! I knew it would be here. This waning gibbous has been waiting for you. Now seek out the gator whose jacket is blue. Oh, Daddy's jacket is blue. Come on.
This kid might be good, but he's not better than me. Better watch out.
Dad, what are you doing talking to the TV?
Oh, Gus, nothing at all. Hey, don't you need a sticker? I know what your next clue is.
Okay. What's the clue?
Your mom left the third quarter moon with me. And your next stop is the house in the tree.
My tree house!
That's right. Now, don't forget your sticker. I left it on the TV while I get my sweat on.
Thank you!
Now it's just me and you, big guy. You're going down.
All right, little gators. This is the last sticker I need. Let's find out what it's called. Waning Crescent. Your job is complete. Well done, little gator. You've earned a treat. We did it! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 phases of the moon. Let's go show Mama. Mama!
Did you finish the challenge?
I did, and I learned so much. Like what each phase of the moon looks like, its name, and I learned the order. Look! The first is the new moon. Then it turns into the waxing crescent. Then there's the first quarter and waxing gibbous. At the halfway mark, there's the full moon. And then the waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. And it restarts all over again.
I'm happy you enjoyed it, Shug. Now, after all that hard work, you've earned these moon cookies.
Thank you, Mama.
You're very welcome, Shug.
Thanks for watching, little gators. I'll see you next time.
Bye!
Hiya, little gators. I'm on a space adventure. But I think I traveled too far away from Earth. I can't even tell where I am anymore. I was exploring the mysteries and vast areas of outer space. But I think I've flown so far that I might not even be in the Milky Way galaxy. Nothing is showing up on my space radar either. Maybe I should just turn around? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I just need some brain food. Yeah! Hey, wait! What's going on? Oh no! What's that? Whoa! Rats! Houston, we have a problem! Wow! Where am I? I can't even get a read! You know what this means, little gators? I gotta call in the big brains! Come on, pick up! Pick up!
Hello?
Peck! I'm so happy you picked up! I need your help!
What's going on? Are you calling me from space?
Well, I was exploring space. Then I got hungry and I ate some gummies. They were so yummy.
Focus, Gus.
Right, so then the whole space pod started shaking and I got pulled into this weird place.
So you're telling me you were pulled into this place?
Yes, that's what I said!
Was anything around you?
No, I couldn't see anything.
I was afraid of that.
I'm afraid too! How do I get out of here?
Well, by my calculations, it sounds like you got too close to a black hole.
A black hole? So, what does that mean?
First, I need you to tell me what you see around you.
Well, first I saw objects like space rocks, a chicken, satellites, but now all I see is a bunch of crazy colors.
That's probably light that the black hole has sucked up.
What? How did it suck up all the light?
Black holes consume everything. Even if a star is right beside it, black holes are strong enough to consume all of their light.
How does it do that?
Gravity. Black holes have their own gravitational pull.
So gravity is what pulled me into this place?
Yes. What else do you see?
There's just a black circle at the center.
Oh gosh.
What does that mean?
Nothing. It's just that's the point of no return.
Point of no return?
Yeah. Also known as the event horizon. It's the region of the black hole that won't allow anything to escape it.
Peck, you gotta help me!
Don't panic. According to my calculations, it sounds like you're floating right above that zone. I can whip up something real quick. Just, give me 2 seconds.
Yeah, don't mind me. I'll just keep floating into the gravitational void of the black hole. No rush.
Almost done.
Can you at least distract me with another interesting fact? Like what I should expect when I get through the event horizon?
No one knows. And no one is gonna know because I think I did it.
Oh, thank gummies.
Hold on to your gummies, Gus. All I have to do is press this button and it should teleport the space pod from wherever you are back here on Earth.
Press it!
Here goes.
Earth, here I come! Woohoo! We're back on Earth, little gators! Wait, the pyramids? Oh, rats. We're on Earth, but I didn't expect to be in Egypt. Peck, I need you to work your magic again. Get this little gator back to the swamp.
Sorry, I'm working on it. Phew. This was a scientific anomaly.
I don't know what that means, but at least I'm back home. Thanks, Peck.
Anytime, Gus.
Whew! That was an unexpected adventure, little gators. I can't believe I got pulled into a black hole. I had to learn that black holes consume everything around them because they have very strong gravitational pulls. And the gravity gets so strong that even light gets pulled into it. That's why I wasn't able to see anything. I was almost pulled into the region called the event horizon. In that region, nothing can escape. Thanks to Peck's teleportation invention, I'm safely home. Even if I took a detour in Egypt for a second. Thanks for watching, little gators. I'll see you next time. Bye!
There we go. All done. Kids, you can come in now.
Woohoo! We can finally play in the clubhouse!
Be careful, Gus. You knocked over your telescope.
Oh no, I think I broke it. Now we won't get to see the moon. Oh, rats, Peck. I was so excited to get to learn about the moon, too.
Oh, you just forgot to remove the lens cap. Try it now.
Woohoo! You did it, Peck! Now I can see all the stars.
That's a relief. You just got that telescope too, Gus. I hope you two enjoy the new clubhouse. You boys be careful.
Bye, Dad. Thanks for the super cool treehouse. Now let's see if we can find the moon, Peck. There it is! I see it! It's so bright tonight. How do you think all those craters got on the moon, Peck?
Oh, I know the answer to that. The craters were formed by asteroids and meteorites hitting the moon's surface.
Wow! I just saw an asteroid hit the moon! Wait a minute. It looks like I just found a huge hole inside the moon. How is that even possible?
Oh boy, that's very peculiar. Let me see. Wow! I believe you just discovered a lunar tube, Gus.
A lunar what?
A lunar tube. They're pretty much just huge caves and tunnels created by lava billions of years ago.
Oh, I get it now. Well, if I spotted one from the telescope here on Earth, they must be really huge.
That's correct. Some lunar tubes are even estimated to be up to 3,000 feet wide.
3,000 feet? How big is that?
Let's just say it's big enough to hold a small city.
Oh my gummies! An entire city can fit inside! Wow, that is huge! Let's see what else we can find, little gators. Wait a second. The moon is shaking, Peck!
Haha, very funny, Gus. The moon's surface doesn't just start shaking.
No, I'm being serious. You see it, don't you, little gators?
Yeah, Gus, we can see it too. It's really shaking, Peck.
Look for yourself.
No, Popsicles. You weren't kidding. The moon is shaking.
Wait a minute. I remember reading something about this in my science book. When the surface of the moon shakes, it's called a moonquake. They're exactly like earthquakes here on Earth, just not as strong.
You're totally right, Gus. I remember reading that too. But unlike earthquakes on Earth, which only last 10 to 30 seconds, moonquakes can last up to 30 minutes.
Wow, that's a really long time. I'm sure glad we're not on the moon right now.
That's true, but you have to admit, the moon is still pretty awesome.
It sure is, Peck. It's totally awesome. First, we learned that all those craters on the moon were created by asteroids and meteors hitting its surface. And we even saw one as a kid, too.
That's right, Gus. Then, we learned that there are caves inside the moon called lunar tubes, which were created by lava billions of years ago. Some lunar tubes are big enough to hold small cities.
And finally, we learned about moonquakes! which cause the surface of the moon to shake. They're just like earthquakes, but nowhere near as strong, and can actually last up to 30 minutes long. Wow! We sure had fun learning about the moon today, didn't we, little gators?
We sure did, Gus. That was awesome!
Looking good! Heck and I are going to go see what other cool stuff we can find using the telescope. Thanks for watching, little gators!
Bye!
The stars are so bright tonight. Hey, Peck, did you know you could get a star named after you?
Named after me?
That's what I said.
Oh, the possibilities! Oh, the science! Peck, the star! It would be my kingdom, and I would be the ruler, and it would be mine! In the name of science, in the name of Peck!
Peck? Are you okay?
Oh, Gus, you're still here. Yeah, totally fine. The stars are just cool, you know. Shh. Don't shush me.
Shh. Do you hear that?
Well, you're not invited to my kingdom of Peck the Star anymore.
Peck, listen!
Sounds like something's ticking.
Whatever it is, it doesn't sound good. We have to find what is making this sound. None of the stars look like they're in danger. Wait!
You found it?
No, but I did find a chicken.
A chicken? Well, let me try. Let's see. If I follow the sound... Aha!
You found it? I want to see!
Yeah, but by my calculations, this isn't good.
It just looks like a red supergiant star. What's wrong with that?
Exactly. Red supergiant stars are known to explode.
What? Why can't let this happen? Oh, we gotta do something to the Peck Pod!
Gus, I know you want to help, but I don't think we can stop this.
We have to at least try!
Well, all right!
Keep an eye out for that red supergiant star! I got it on the radar, too!
It says we're 642 light years away!
What does that mean?
It means if we were moving at the speed of light, it would still take us 642 years for us to even get to it.
So, we can't save the star from exploding?
No, but this is actually normal for a star like this. It's called a supernova. It's the name of the explosion that happens when a star dies.
Oh, so that's what the sound is counting down.
Yep. So stars like this red supergiant have gravity pushing in and nuclear energy pushing out. Eventually, the star runs out of energy at the core. Gravity keeps pushing into the star. So, everything the star is made of crashes into the core. And all of that matter can't stay in one place. This is where detonation begins. It's only a matter of time before it explodes.
That's what the ticking is!
Exactly. Soon, all of its matter and radiation will explode into space. And that's what happens during a supernova.
Wow! It's almost time! Should we head back to Earth for safety?
We'll be okay up here. If we're 642 light years away, this star must be in the Orion constellation. It won't reach us because we're too far away. It'll be like watching a movie.
Good thing I brought a snack.
Oh gosh! I think this is it!
It's happening, little gators! We're about to see a supernova! Whoa! so cool!
It was so beautiful.
It kind of makes me sad that the star is gone now.
It's okay. Stars going supernova is natural. We need them to spread elements all over the universe. That's how planets, moons, and other stars are made.
Oh, that makes me feel so much better. You know, Peck, star searching with you turned into an adventure when we heard a red supergiant star was in trouble. I had no idea that ticking countdown could turn into a star about to go supernova. And when you explained that red supergiant stars can run out of nuclear energy, it made sense that gravity would take over and make the whole star collapse. But what I think is the coolest part of all of this is when the red supergiant star went supernova in front of us. Because this is how the elements are spread all over space to make more stars, planets, and everything in the universe.
That was my favorite part too. I gotta get home and journal about this. This is the experience of a lifetime.
I guess we're heading back to Earth then. Thanks for watching, little Gators. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!